A nebula is a giant cloud of dust and gas in space. Some nebulae come from the gas and dust thrown out by the explosion of a dying star, such as a supernova. Other nebular regions are where new stars are beginning to form. There are 4 ways that nebula can form. Nebulae can form due to gravity pulling gas and dust together, either from star death or eroding cold interstellar gas and dust clouds. Nebulae can also be regions where new stars are forming. The rich reservoirs of dust and gas provides the raw material for new stars to form. When smaller stars like our Sun die, they eject their outer layers of gas into space over about 10,000 years. The radiation from the star's hot core, a white dwarf, causes the gas to glow, creating a planetary nebula. Nebulae can form from the gas and dust thrown out by the explosion of a dying star, such as a supernova. Nebulae are formed of dust, hydrogen, and other gases which are ionized. Nebula can also be formed by gases thrown out by a star when they go supernova. The 3 types of nebulae are emission, reflection, and dark nebulae. An emission nebula is a nebula formed of ionized gases that emit light of various wavelengths. Reflection nebulae are clouds of interstellar dust which might reflect the light of a nearby star or stars. A dark nebula is a type of interstellar cloud that is so dense that it obscures the visible wavelengths of light from objects behind it, such as background stars and emission or reflection nebulae. The closest known nebula to Earth is the Helix Nebula. It is approximately 700 light years away from Earth. The Crab Nebula, also known as M1, is a supernova remnant and pulsar wind nebula in the constellation of Taurus. The Ring Nebula is a planetary nebula in the northern constellation of Lyra. It is 2,500 light years away from the Earth. Ever wondered how we get the stunning pictures of the nebulae, which are better than the pictures of Hubble Space Telescope? Well, we have the answer: the James Webb Space Telescope. If you want to know about it, then click this video on the right. If you want to see some pictures taken by the JWST or the James Webb Space Telescope and their details, click the video on the left. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe.